So we did it. We're at 10K subscribers. I'm surprised. Last update, I was like, hey, we got a ton of a boost, but it's declining. But no, it didn't decline. It went down to 36 right here, but then just retained at like 50 for like the entire way. And like April Fool's Day, I nearly get another 100 subscribers. So I don't know what's happening, but hooray, we did it. So yeah, I'm not complaining. So yeah, finally 10,000 subscribers. I remember when I was at 1,000 subscribers, I was like, I'm at the peak. I will never get any higher. At 10,000, that'll never happen. And now it's happened. So yeah, I'm gonna do a 10,000 subscriber video tomorrow. It's been a while. I want to do one at 5,000, but I just never got around to do it. I did one at 2,000. It was really bad though. But 10,000, that's gonna be great. I'm gonna see if I can do a Q&A. I'm not sure though. We'll see. We'll all see. But anyway, yeah. So that is that. And I guess even today, like the day just started, and we already got another 19 subscribers. So like, I guess the streak's just gonna keep going. I guess the people really like the content that I'm giving. So I guess I'm gonna continue doing what we're doing, and hopefully it'll be great and stuff. So yeah, hooray. So anyway, let's review the past week. Released 2 videos, the skill extender and an April Fool's joke, the window bender. So first, the skill extender, amazing. It was a pretty cool idea. I'm glad I was able to make it work without any compatibility issues. And of course, people loved it. 153 thumbs up, that's a lot for a plugin video. So, hooray, we did it. And so yeah, I'm gonna have to, that's good. That was a success. So I guess I just have to do that again next week. Speaking of which, I don't know what to do. I have no ideas. But we'll see. And also the window bender, yeah, so like the day before this, I was like out of ideas. So I whipped this thing up so hard. It took like an hour, but I did it. It was pretty cool. Awesome. I got to use all my training I learned from like making the HUD maker to make something like this, and it all worked out. So yeah, window bender. A lot of people fell for it. Like, I was actually a little disappointed because, like, at the beginning, like, everyone just thought it was so legitimate because of how bad it was. I made it look legit by making it look not that great, and so people thought it was too real. But of course, eventually, people started calling me out, and that was that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and next year I'll try and do something better. I know. The year before this, I did like a 3D plugin. Everyone loved that, but I don't know if window bender would result in the same stuff. But anyway, that is about that. I guess we should move on to the stuff you care about, what I have been doing. What do I have to present this week? And the answer is, oh god, yeah, okay, Game Tool Engine. Okay, yeah, so first of all, let me just say that Game Tool Engine, still not sure if I'm gonna keep that name, because like, here's the thing, in RPG Maker, the things in here are called tools, right? I realized this when I was making the window bender. So like, I don't want to give my plugin the same name of something that already exists and it'll be like typed into Google and stuff. So like, RPG Maker MV tools, right now they're not much, but if more come out and some of those are more popular, then that could like overwrite what my plugins are doing and make a name for these instead of my plugins. So instead, I have to find something simple, concise, yet unique to name this plugin. And I don't know. I was thinking maybe utility engine. Also, like a U is like really low down the alphabetical order, so like it'll be hard to find the master plugin list. Has something with a high letter, short, concise, very powerful, like core or something. And I need to be able to fit into blank engine or potentially blank engine core to describe this thing right here. But yeah, so let's get straight into what I've added. I've added a lot of stuff actually. Like I want to make sure this is perfect before it gets released. So to start, as you see, there's a new button right here from last update, is a database EX, which is going to be a new feature that gives you more inputs for your database and allows you to create evaluations for those inputs. Now, you're probably thinking, some random dude, Yonfly already has the ability to let you surpass the database limits, and that is correct. However, using this, you can, like I said, create evaluations for the data. Now, I do this using a function called object-defined-property in the code, which allows you to take a specific variable within an object, then create a specific function to return the value, allowing me to take something simple as this, a repeat value of a skill, to return an entire JavaScript evaluation. So if we did click this and hit evaluation, we could type in like math.randomInt5, and that will generate a random integer from 0 to 5 whenever that is called. Alternatively, we can just turn evaluation off, and then just put in whatever number we want to break the database and stuff. So yeah, that is that. We also got the note editor. I'm not sure if anyone will ever use this, but of course this is just a bigger note box for people to use to type in note tags. So instead of having to like go into this like small box in the database right here, so this tiny thing, instead now you have this whole massive thing to work with. So yeah, but the important thing that makes it worth it is the custom editors. Right now it's blank, but in the future I can create plugins that have their own custom mini database editors in this plugin, and then use that as instead of like using, you know, like stupid like parameters. Cause you know, like whenever I create like whatever you call it, the pop-up plugin, the damage pop-up plugin, the menu title plugins, just all of them result in like huge lists of parameters, and I want to stop doing that. So I want to start creating my own editors and then use those to input properties instead of having to rely on the, you know, the dumb parameters. So using custom editors, we'll be able to do that. Now, custom editors will be built to be on like one page though. So if something needs multiple pages, we'll of course create their own entire maker like this, where they can have like all this stuff like this. So yeah, that is that. Next up is the menu editor. Oh god, yeah, okay, so like, I think I showed this before in the previous update, but didn't have any features yet. But right now I've added pretty much almost everything I'm going to add, which is the ability to choose the window you're going to focus on, have that window be highlighted, be able to move that window around and have it snap to various locations based on the location of the other windows. You can also set up the width, height, visible rows, and max columns for selectable windows. For the menu, for command windows, you can set the text alignment to be left, center, or right, like that. Set up the maximum rows, so maybe like 3 visible rows, and maybe 3 max columns. And there we go. Now we have this working thing right here. So as you can see, like my April Fool's joke is sort of based off of what I was working on here, which is, you know, a menu editor that's not too complex, but still gives you the capabilities of making your own edits. So yeah, I'm a little concerned about how the reception will be, because like people didn't really like the window bender, right? So like, will they like the you know, the menu editor? I don't know. I've been thinking about adding more features, like the ability to add a background to each individual window, and maybe also customizing their window skin. And you can do it really easily just by creating an input that drops down a list of all the files. But we'll see about that, because honestly, I have no idea how to make a background image work for a window. But hey, who knows? Anyway, back to our main page. I've added the playtester tab, as you see right here. Now this is gonna have like all the like main powerful playtesting functions. It's gonna have this function here called reload game, which is probably my most favorite thing. So if we go back to our project like this, and we go to our map right here, let's say for example we want to change something. So we're gonna like, I don't know, add like a new event right here. We'll make this event I guess this guy right here. He'll be like, whoa, wait, no, and he'll be like, hi, I am a new event, just like that. Hit OK, and then save the project. Now, if we go all the way back to our game like this and hit reload game, it's going to restart the entire game, quick and easy, save and load your current location, and then he's not going to appear. Wow, that's a bug. Oh god, no, what happened? Oh no. He didn't, oh god, that isn't, well, okay, so like, I promise this feature was working like 5 seconds ago. I don't know what happened, but I guess it's just not working right now. Oh, that sucks. How is it not working all of a sudden? Oh man. It's literally test. Oh god. Oh, I'm sad now. Why? Okay. Okay, cool. I guess that's gone forever. Well, this is awkward. Anyway, we're not gonna worry about that. But essentially, reload game lets you reload your entire game immediately, putting you back onto the spot you were, allowing you to check any changes you made to the project in an instant, just like that. Next, you have God Mode. Just lets you teleport anywhere to the screen at like a quickly fast manner. Once again, it's just meant for swiftness, so you just hit the button and bam, you're there, bam, you're not, so bam, 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 and then you're back to normal. We also have the transfer function, just quickly press a map, transfer, and boom, we are there. You don't have to worry about anything, just once again, quickly do it and you're ready to go. I'm also going to have the ability to change the speed of the game, so it's going to be like maybe like 2 times speed, 3 times speed, maybe 1 time speed. I already made a plugin like that, but you know, it's more convenient to have it method like this, so yeah. Well, I'm still a little disappointed that the guy didn't show up. I wonder what happened. Anyway, last thing is, as you saw maybe in the previous update, I made a theme function, but I've also had this new mode, follow mode. So a problem I was having with the external window like this is the fact that it was very fidgety, didn't really want to do what you want to do, and it was a hassle to move around. But using these functions I've created, you can actually make so it follows the main window like this. So go wherever the main window goes, you can set like whether it's going to do or not, so you can turn it off. Now it's no longer going to do it, or you turn it back on like this, and now it's going to do it. You can also customize the offset of the X and Y just like this. We can set to maybe like the 50Y, and now as you can see, it's going to move down to 50 pixels. Maybe we should do more like a 400. Yeah, and then now it's going to be all, whoa, yeah, now it's going to be all the way down there. So for whatever reason, if you want to customize it to your liking, you do so right here, and then just, yeah. So yeah, and so that is that. Finally, I also added the ability to make it a separate window, or a, where is it? Here, wait, no, here it is. So you can make it a separate window, or a connected window using this parameter right here. So if we set this to false, like this, as you can see, if we go back to our game just like this, we're going to find that the game tool engine window is going to be a completely separate window, as you see when I hear, wait, what? Oh, that's another bug. Okay, so what should have happened is the window would have appeared down here in the task manager, but I already realized that I forgot to actually implement that feature with the parameter. So yeah, I failed horribly. Please forgive me. Oh God, why? But yeah, so that's about it for this game tool engine. I mean, I swear I'm gonna find a good name. I don't know what I just don't know, but surely there has to be a name out there. Something that sounds catchy, cool, and hasn't been done before. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, besides that, I gotta think, like, what? So I'm not gonna be able to release this this week, because it's just not gonna be out fast enough for you patrons. So next week, I'm probably gonna be the week that I release a game tool engine. So this week I need to release one more plugin, and what is that plugin gonna be? I have no idea. So you should leave your suggestions in the comments. But seriously though, like I need a good idea. So like but seriously though, make it a good idea, not something random that I just like just thought of for no reason. You have to make a good idea, like something that everyone can use, something unique but hasn't been done before, yet everyone can use it. I don't know the answer to that. If I did, I would be making it, but I don't. So yeah, I was thinking about doing this like thing where like it's a pop-up box that has I can customize some text in it and customize a yes and no option. And this will just let you do like yes or no questions, make them look a little bit more fancy, you know? So for example, it'd be something like I think Yonfly did something similar in one of his plugins. It might have been Save Core. We had a window like that. And that just looks better, in my opinion. So maybe we can... Oh, God, I hit the mic. Maybe we could implement something like that. I don't know. Maybe not. Probably not. Besides that, yeah, I have no idea. I just have no idea. So, God. The HUD maker, the game tool engine, has all been taking up my mind. But, yeah, I guess that's about it. I won't waste any more time. I guess that's about it for this video. Leave your suggestions in the comments below on the Patreon thingy. Yeah, once again, to try to think of ideas that everyone can use. I can't. And, but really, I feel like there is some untouched potential that's just lying there. Like the skill extender. Like, That just came out of nowhere and people loved it. But where is another point of placement that people don't realize they need something, but they need it? I don't know. I know. I guess you guys find out in the coming days. So, that's all for now. Until next time. Bye.